Hey guys, this is Rowan and you're watching my makeup vlog and unboxing.
Today I'm going to unbox the much awaited Huda Beauty mascara. So it says here, you deserve best lashes and we legitimate swear to give you major volume and always provide dramatic curl and insane length. So other reviews were so great that I've waited for at least a month for this, because online it's sold out, and yeah, when I got to Sephora it's there and I'm so happy that I got this already. So it's the same as the packaging is almost the same as the eyeliner, which I already bought a few months ago. Here's the eyeliner of the Huda Beauty. So yeah, and I'm going to unbox the mascara, and yeah, it's almost the same, but this is a little bit chunky. Yeah, chunkier. This is the eyeliner. For those who don't have the eyeliner yet, this one is liquid liner, and this is the pencil liner. This one is so amazing that it will get through the day without any smudges. This one has two brushes, one for volume and one for curl and length. This curl and length has fibers in it, and this one is the normal mascara, which you will apply first. So let's see. This time I don't have anything. Any makeups? Don't. And even foundation I don't have. So yeah, this is my bare face. So my lashes are long, but they are completely straight. Every now and then I get to have eyelashes perm, and yeah, these are my natural lashes, which are straight, very straight and black. I'm going to try this and let's see if it will work for me, because my favorite mascara so far, whenever I'm having my eyelashes curled or permed, are the Tarte and KVD mascara, which I'm going to show you. This is the KVD Go Big or Go Home mascara, and this is the Big Ego from Tarte, which is, for me, works really good. Well, since I didn't have my eyelash permed at all, so let's see if it will curl my lashes as it says on the package. So first we will go with the volume. Ooh, so nice. Sturdy. Great. The brush is a little bit thick, which I guess it will work for me. Guys, excuse for the excess mascara, because I'm using my phone as a mirror. So yeah. So far, it's giving me the volume, but still not as curly as I'm expecting, because I didn't have the curl one yet. I'm not using the curl one yet, so I'm going to fix it first. Yes, but there's a slight difference now, right? So yeah. One thing I've noticed is that it leaves clumps on my eyelashes a little bit. So after this volume, I'm going to try the curl and length. So the curl and length is a bit thin and curved. One thing I've noticed here, it has a little bit of hair fibers. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Yeah, even on this container you will see it. So let's see. It makes the lashes a little bit longer, but not that curly as I'm expecting it to be. Yeah. Although there's a difference already. This one is a little bit volumized, and this one is really straight. So this one has the effect on it, but yeah, since my hair strands are really straight, I don't think any formula will just curl my eyelashes instantly. So yeah, it's not bad, but yeah, I didn't see the one I'm actually expecting. It leaves a little volume and length on my eyelashes compared to this one. Yeah. That's the comparison. But yeah, it's a little bit clumpy here, clumpy there, because whenever you just stroke and stroke, you're gonna get all the products in your eyes, which is not good. But yeah, I like it, but not like it. But I'm gonna use it for a while, since right now we're using face mask and we're just gonna have our eyes showing to everyone. So I'm just gonna have my eye makeup more often than my lips and all. So yeah, but this one is great. Let's try Big Ego on my other eye. Big Ego works really fine when I'm having my eyelash perm. So this is the comparison from the Big Ego from Tarte and the Huda Beauty mascara. This is the Big Ego and this is the Huda Beauty. The Huda Beauty has so many clumps, the Big Ego doesn't have. This one is great, this one is okay, but volume speaking, Huda Beauty wins. But the curl, since I have a very straight eyelashes, natural straight eyelashes, it doesn't work for me. It didn't curl my lashes at all. So yeah, that's it.